Alright, so finding the slope of the line, you want to get it into slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So basically that means you want to take this equation and get y by itself. So you need to move over the 5 and then divide by 7. And then whatever's in front of your x is what will be equal to your slope. Alright, and then for this problem, you have a circle in the xy coordinate plane, which has a center of -1, 2, which would put it here. And it goes through the point 2, 6. Right, so that means that would be the radius of the circle, or part of it. So that means it's going to be around that center point, roughly. So for this one, really, that means that C would be the midpoint, right? So if this is C and this is A, B would have to be somewhere over here, right? So the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 over 2 to get the x coordinate, and y1 plus y2 over 2 to get the y coordinate. So C is equal to the midpoint. So that means that -1 would be equal to this, and then you would use the coordinates of A to plug in for x1. And then for y, you would use 2, and it would be equal to, so set it equal to 2, and then plug in the y coordinate from A into y2, and then solve for x1 and y1.